Alright folks, let's dive right in. Today, we're going to explore something that can make a huge difference in your daily life. If you've been dealing with nerve pain, you know how it can seriously impact your life. The constant discomfort can be overwhelming and affect your ability to enjoy everyday activities. But did you know that certain foods can help ease that pain naturally? Yes, your diet can play a crucial role in managing nerve pain. Today I'm going to share the top 7 foods that can make a real difference. Ready? Let's go! These foods are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support nerve health. Number 1, we've got turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice is more than just a flavor enhancer. This golden spice contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation, which is often a major contributor to nerve pain. Add it to your meals or try a turmeric tea. You can sprinkle it on your dishes or brew a soothing cup of turmeric tea. Trust me, your nerves will thank you. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can provide significant relief over time. Second on the list is salmon. This delicious fish is not only a treat for your taste buds but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation and supports nerve function. Omega-3s are essential for maintaining the health of your nervous system. Aim to have it a couple of times a week for the best results. Including salmon in your diet regularly can make a noticeable difference. Up next, let's talk about avocados. These creamy fruits are not just for guacamole. They're rich in healthy fats and vitamins B and E, which are crucial for nerve health. The healthy fats in avocados help protect nerve cells and improve their function. A daily avocado can keep those nerves in tip-top shape. Fourth, we have spinach. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse. This leafy green is a powerhouse of magnesium, which is essential for nerve and muscle function. Magnesium helps relax nerves and muscles, reducing pain and discomfort. Toss it into salads, smoothies, or soups for a healthy boost. Spinach is versatile and can be easily added to various dishes. Now don't forget about dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Indulging in a bit of dark chocolate can actually be good for your nerves. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help ease nerve pain. The flavonoids in dark chocolate can improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help ease nerve pain. Just make sure to go for a high cocoa content. The higher the cocoa content, the more beneficial it is for your health. Sixth on our list is nuts. These crunchy snacks are not only tasty but also packed with nutrients. Almonds, walnuts, and cashews are excellent sources of vitamin B6 and omega-3s. These nutrients support nerve function and reduce inflammation. Grab a handful as a snack or add them to your meals. Nuts are a convenient and delicious way to boost your nerve health. Finally, let's not overlook garlic. This pungent bulb is a staple in many kitchens for good reason. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, garlic can help with nerve pain. Garlic's compounds can reduce inflammation and protect nerve cells. Incorporate it into your cooking for both flavor and health benefits. Adding garlic to your dishes can enhance their flavor while providing health benefits. So there you have it. 7 powerful foods to help ease nerve pain naturally. These foods are not only nutritious but also delicious. 7 powerful foods to help ease nerve pain naturally. Remember, it's always best to consult your healthcare provider before making any major dietary changes. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Your support helps us create more content to help you live a healthier life. Take care of those nerves, folks. Incorporate these foods into your diet and feel the difference. Stay healthy and happy.